Every parent wants to see their child grow strong, healthy, and tall. But here is something most people don't realize. Genetics play a big role, yes, but nutrition is the deciding factor that helps children reach their full potential height. Let's talk about the foods that science actually supports when it comes to boosting growth. First on the list is dairy products, milk, yogurt, cheese. They are rich in calcium, protein and vitamin D, which are essential for bone development and density. Without enough of these nutrients, bones can't reach their full growth capacity. Next we have eggs. One egg provides high quality protein and essential amino acids plus vitamin D, which works with calcium to strengthen bones. Studies show children who eat eggs regularly have better growth outcomes. Now let's talk about lean proteins like chicken, fish and legumes. Protein is literally the building block of growth. Without enough protein, the body simply can't build muscle and bone tissue efficiently. Then we have leafy greens like spinach, kale and broccoli. They are rich in calcium, magnesium and vitamin K, all crucial for bone metabolism and growth. Another powerhouse, nuts and seeds, almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds. They provide healthy fats, protein and minerals like zinc, which directly influence growth hormone production. And don't forget fruits, especially ones high in vitamin C like oranges, kiwi and berries. Vitamin C helps collagen formation, which supports cartilage and bone growth. One more important factor, whole grains, brown rice, oats, quinoa. They give steady energy and contain B vitamins, which are needed for growth and tissue repair. Now let's talk about zinc-rich foods, beans, chickpeas and cashews. Zinc is often overlooked, but deficiency can actually stunt growth in children. And finally, water. Hydration is often forgotten, but without enough water, nutrient absorption and metabolism slow down, which directly impacts growth and energy. Here is the truth. There is no magic pill or single superfood that makes kids tall overnight, but when you consistently provide a balanced diet rich in calcium, protein, vitamin D, vitamin C and zinc, you give your child the best possible foundation to grow to their full height potential. Pair these foods with good sleep, regular physical activity and sunshine for vitamin D, and you will see the difference in your child's energy, posture and growth. Nutrition is power, and when it comes to your kids, these small daily choices add up to a lifetime of strong, healthy development. Hey, before you go, just a quick thing. I put a lot of time into researching these topics so I can bring you information that's actually useful, not just surface level. If this video helped you even a little, it would mean a lot if you could hit the like button or leave a quick comment. It really helps the YouTube algorithm show this to more people who might need it. And if you enjoy learning about holistic health from someone who's actually worked inside the system, make sure to subscribe. I've got plenty more coming. Thanks for being here.